Hello there, it's Jim with DVD Memories Preserved, and today we're going to talk about cleaning the heads on your old VCR. At DVD Memories Preserved, we transfer thousands and thousands of hours each year of VHS footage to digital. And one of the things that's most important for us to maintain high quality conversions and transfers is a functional VCR. So that requires regular maintenance. If this is a project you're thinking about taking on, a good video head cleaning on your VCR is probably essential. Today we're going to show you how to do that. It's not that difficult. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol. You're going to need a screwdriver, some cotton swabs, and we use paper strips. Okay, the unit we're working with today is going to be a Magnavox VHS DVD combo unit. But it's important to note that we're only going to be working with the VHS side of this unit. The DVD side is not going to be affected. So we're going to take the screws out of here. I went ahead and powered this off before we started. You want to make sure that you've got this powered off before you attempt to take the top off. Go ahead and put this aside. And inside the unit here, you see here, this is the video head, the video and record head we're going to be cleaning. Over here is the video erase head, and then over here is going to be your audio head. Okay, so we're going to start off by dipping the cotton swabs into some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and we'll start with the erase head here. Go ahead and swab that and we'll clean that real good. Get that first. We'll go ahead then and hit some of these other areas. This is sort of optional. This is the tape path really. Any of these here, the tape kind of passes through this. We're going to go ahead and clean these pieces here. Clean those. Let's get our audio head there. Clean these up. That should be pretty good. And what we'll do next is we're going to go ahead and pull out those strips of paper we talked about and clean the video head right here. And we're going to go ahead and soak those in some rubbing alcohol. These strips here. And once we've got that, we're going to gently hold them up against the head here. We're going to rotate this counterclockwise very gently. We don't want to put a lot of pressure on that. We'll go ahead and turn that a few turns counterclockwise. And this is essentially going to clean that video playhead for us. Okay, that should pretty much take care of it. Let's go ahead and get this lid back on, plug it in, and see what we have. All right, we've got the top back on. We've got it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and try it out now. We're going to pop in a VHS. See if our head cleaning was successful. And look at that, clean video. Very good. If you have any questions about converting your VHS videos to digital, give us a call at DVD Memories Preserved. We'll see you next time.